We have our eyes on 3 stocks that can potentially short squeeze tomorrow. I can't wait to show you. We are the stock trading group that called out CDLX stock. Now, if you recall, CDLX stock was a stock that was called out at $5, and that was on April 12th. Okay, so it's actually 6 days ago. We called this out last week and have made multiple videos covering this stock, and the stock has rallied all the way to a high of $7.08 today on April 8th, 2023. Now, the really powerful thing about this call out is that the stock is not a volatile penny stock. This is a stock which is a stable, good company, yet it's made us over 25% in profits since we bought in. That's the power of this trading channel. So we are looking at a number of potential short squeezes within the next 3 trading days, including stock tickers NOGN and PTPI. I'm going to reveal how to trade these stocks, and we're even going to go over a way where you can start making money this very second. NOGN and PTPI were both called out in the Pro Discord on April 14th. That is, for those of you who don't know, about 3 trading days ago, and they were called out at approximately $4 for PTPI and $2.50 for NOGN. As you know, if you're following these stocks, NOGN did short squeeze today to a high of 324. That's plus 20%. 20% profits is 2,000 on 10K. PTPI went up to a high of 680. Now, a high of 680 is a 40% profit on this one stock. So we're up 60% combined at highs on just these 2 callouts. A 60% profit would get you 120% if you're able to double that, and doubling your account in a matter of 3 days is a pretty good feat for any trader. And that is how our friend Captain Q made $3,446 yesterday, and he made money again today as well. So how are you going to make money in the stock market? Because this is about making you money and teaching you how to stop losing money. Well, you have to not just hear the good stuff. You can't just hear about the money. You can't just hear about the winning trades, because the truth is you can lose money in the stock market just as easily as you can make money. You know Bed Bath & Beyond, and Bed Bath & Beyond has gone down substantially. It's actually having some interest right now, but Bed Bath & Beyond, hubc, WISA, NBOS, traders have lost so much money on those stocks, and right now we are consistently making money in the stock market. How are we able to do this? How are we able to make consistent profits in the stock market when most traders lose money? It's because in this trading channel and in this Discord group, we don't just go over the positive stuff. We're going to go over those stocks in a minute. We don't just go over the positive stuff, like all the good stuff that can happen. We go over the negative stuff. We protect you. We go over the stop losses. We go over what happens when the trade doesn't work. When a trade does go down 25%, we teach you how to get out so you don't have to absorb that loss. How are you going to make money if you have losses that are huge? How are you going to fill your bank with money if you have a giant hole in your bank account? That's why we teach you the way that we do. We want to make sure you have a realistic picture of the entire stock market and of your trades, so that when you get in, you can make money and you can stop losing money in the stock market. And that's key. You want to stop losing money. I'm going to teach you how to stop losing money, and that starts by giving you these call outs and how to trade them right now. So first of all, if you're not in the Discord, make sure to join the Discord. If you are in the Discord, make sure to sign up for our live event. We are trading live tomorrow, guys. We are doing a live trading session tomorrow on April 19th at Market Open. It starts at 6:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if you're not already signed up, then what are you waiting for? This is your chance to see someone who has solved the stock market. Me, Coach Koda, your trading coach. I will help you make money in the stock market tomorrow. Nothing I say is buying or selling advice. It's for educational purposes only. Most of our traders are profitable. Every single trader who follows instructions is profitable. We trade live tomorrow and everyone is welcome to join. Join using the live link below. And now let's go to the stock trading charts. Let's start off our trading watch list with a special stock, PTPI. Now remember, we were calling out this stock around $4 and the stock rallied all the way to $6.80. So we got a huge increase on PTPI, but the stock can rally again. The stock can actually take off a second time, and so we're looking to buy this stock around approximately $5. We don't want to see the stock go below $4.50, and we need the stock to continue uptrending. Some main profit targets I have when trading PTPI are $5.90 right here, $6.80, and if this thing really takes off, yes, it can go all the way to $7.80. Don't expect it, but if it happens, be happy. PTPI is the first stock which we're going over today. As a reminder, we did call out CDLX, and CDLX is up substantially from when we called it out at $5. As you can see from the chart here, CDLX has done nothing but trend upward all the way from $5 to $7, which is almost 50% in profits. So CDLX is not a call out for today, but just a note that if you did enter into CDLX when we were buying it, you can take profits. You can sell some right here where it's at right now at $7. That way you're able to lock in the money in your bank account and you can get this consistent growth, which is what we help you do in the Rocket Data Trader Pro Discord. We teach you how to make consistent profits that will actually grow your trading account instead of you losing money in the stock market. We have another stock to watch today, and that stock is TORO. Be careful with this stock. TORO can fall, especially because there's not a lot of trading history with TORO. However, TORO can also squeeze hard. TORO stock at approximately $3.80 could be a good buy. Now, we want to make sure this stock stays above $3.50. Put your stop loss somewhere around $3.30. And remember, this is a high risk, high reward trade. Stocks like TORO can be easily manipulated, and that means that the stocks can dump just as easily as they can squeeze. However, some main profit targets that I'm looking at with TORO are $4.15, $4.37, and potentially it can go all the way up to $4.64 if it really squeezes. Now, I have some really crazy high profit targets as well. It can go all the way up to $6.80, but the likelihood of that happening is much lower than my other profit targets. So it's a good idea to take profits on the way up. Now, we do have one more stock that we're going to take a look at today. You remember that we went over NOGN and TORO. Okay, so those are two stocks which we're looking at. I do have one more for you. It's a stock called LEV. Now, LEV stock is at approximately $2.27 right now. I want to see this stock stay above the $2 level and get shares as close to $2 as possible. I don't want the stock to fall much more than that. But when the stock rallies, if the stock rallies, it can go all the way up to $2.29, $2.37, $2.43, $2.70, $2.49, and maybe even all the way up to $2.78. This is LEV stock, the Lion Electric Company. Okay, so this is our stock watch list for today. Again, the stock tickers are NOGN. Okay. PTPI, TORO, and LEV. Okay, these are our four stocks that we're watching. I do have one more honorable mention, and that stock is a stock ticker PRST. Now, PRST has been beaten down a bit, and it's at approximately $2.50 right now. Picking up this stock around $2 should allow you to make money. The stock will do a dead cat bounce at the very least from $2 up to around $2.35, maybe even coming up to $2.48 or $2.69. So PRST is another money-making opportunity. We go over so many money-making opportunities in the Discord that you are shooting yourself in the foot if you're not already a part of it. I'm going to show you the Discord right now. Here it is. So the Discord is made up of a number of winning callouts like NOGN and Toro, which you're notified of where to buy them, where to sell them. All you have to do is click the callouts tab and you'll get access to these stocks before they actually squeeze. We don't buy every single stock on the callout tab because we are not like all of the other trading channels. We will actually tell you when a stock is not good, when you shouldn't buy it, and when you should sell it. So every time you enter into a stock, there's a chance of you winning or losing money. We will tell you when your chances of making money are higher than your chances of losing money. That way, over time, your trading account will grow and you'll be able to make this quote unquote easy money in the stock market. And that's how our traders are up over $50,000 for the month, and it's how you can start earning money in the stock market. You've been watching me for a while. You know I've called CDLX, and CDLX went up just like I said it would. You know I've called out RLX, COOK, a number of short squeezes, and if you're ready to get that and more, if you can just think for a second how much I give you for free and how much more you'll get if you actually join our pro Discord, then send me a message, a direct message on Discord, and I will set you up. I want to be your coach. Let me coach you, let me mentor you, and let me help you stop losing money in the stock market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.